According to official data, in 2017-2018, Indian Railways had the worst punctuality performance the previous three consecutive. 30% trains ran late in 2017-2018. When Comptroller and Auditor General of India looked into the reasons for these delays, they found some serious flaws. One main reason was the non-availability of path, platform or line. The trains had to wait at outer signal or the adjacent stations until the platform is vacated by preoccupied trains. Another reason is said to be the absence of enough platforms with sufficient length to handle trains with 24 or more coaches. According to CAG, another important reason for delays is fewer washing pit lines and stabling lines. Washing pit lines are washing lines with open dumping pits at the base throughout the track. It is used for all types of cleaning and maintenance activities and to prepare the compartment for the next journey. Every train is required to be cleaned before it starts its next journey. Stabling lines are running lines where empty trains are stabled on arrival and await their turn to be shunted away to the washing lines and from there to the carriage and wagon examination pit lines. More trains but same infrastructure. Railways keep launching new trains every now and then, which is great for the nation. But the infrastructure needs to sustain them and it doesn't grow accordingly. The audit done in March 2007, March 2012 and March 2017 in certain railway stations, it is observed that infrastructure such as platforms, washing pit lines and stabling lines at the stations did not increase according to increasing number of trains. Also, engineering works, signal failures, mismanagement or passenger agitations. External factors such as weather, accidents, chain pulling are causes of train delays. Indian Railways is taking many steps to avoid train delays, especially in northern India, as number of trains get delayed due to inclement weather. The Ministry of Railways on 1st of July 2020 announced that 100% punctuality rate was achieved with all special trains being on time. The main reason for achieving this might be seen as significantly less number of trains that were running during the pandemic, although it should be considered as a great achievement. I wish this punctuality continues in the upcoming future as well. Please do like, share and subscribe to Arrowhead IL. Thanks for watching.